Every day, SAP customers face a dilemma between upgrading and innovating their SAP systems or just maintaining the status quo. We're referring to this situation as doing nothing. Very often I meet customers that tell me, I have no compelling reason to change. And this is true, but it's true until a moment of change happens and takes place, when their systems will move from mainstream maintenance into customer-specific maintenance. At this point of time, SAP will stop delivering a number of entitlements like legal changes, SAP notes, patches, bug fixes, interfaces, security patches related to the release that has gone from mainstream into customer-specific maintenance. Customers will need to ask, how am I going to replace SAP from delivering all these assets? And they will have to take the burden on their shoulders.
For this reason, we put in place this cost of doing nothing that is especially focused for customers that are at the end of maintenance or beginning a specific maintenance.
The free tool allows customers to quantify the incremental cost they will face. The tool is made up of two parts: the conceptual framework and the calculation model per se.
If our customers want to know more, they can click on the link in the description.